What's up, guys? It's October 29th, 2024. Had a broad bull channel today. We had a spike in channel, keep pullback bar 12, and we were kind of stuck within yesterday's range for a little bit. I mean, we barely broke the high, I think. Yeah, so bar 72 went above the high and it sold right off, bounced off the higher time frame. Closed above the EMA, good for the bulls. Daily chart, 45-minute. We're going sideways. Now that this bar on the 23rd got put in, it looks like the range started on October 10th. This bar tested this high here. Tested the range high, break, pull back. Now we're going super sideways. Look at these trend bars. It's more body than tail. And now look at these dojis. So the market moves from expansion to contraction. Right now we're in that contraction phase. We've had a lot of dojis. I mean, the 5-minute chart was rough. Look at the 45 minutes, very sideways compared to here. Trend, pullback, trend, pullback, trend, pullback. Now we're just sideways. We are trading at the high. This is, I'm doing this right at market open. So market open being overnight session. Yesterday we went range bound. Very tight trading range. It was like, I think maybe about 20 points, 10, 20. Oh man, that's tough. Yeah, that's a tough range. I traded Sim today because I was live yesterday. I got shredded, so I traded Sim to get some momentum. Took a little bit of a red hit, a red day. I lost. I just tried to buy this bar and I got out and it was red. I was trading Sim, so I wasn't too pressed. I like to think about momentum and confidence when I'm trading, not necessarily momentum from a breakout standpoint, momentum from a doing the right thing standpoint in like real life. So I went to Sim just to get my bearings, and then tomorrow I'll be live again. Bar 81, bull bar, gap down. Bar 1's a bear bar. It looks like it can get continuation, and it does. Bar 2, we have an implied pullback, and we trade below bar 1. So that's the minimum bears need to get their leg 2, and that was achieved. Whoa. Should I just leave it like that? That's kind of funny. We are in Friday support. 57 low. What you can do, the bodies looks like is being more respected. I don't trade with the lines, but I do look left. Bar 3, strong bull bar closing on its high. That's not a good characteristic for the bears, right? Bears just want to see sell off all day with the gap down and continuation. Bar 4 is a pullback. It's actually bar 4 is interesting actually. Sell off, pullback. Are we gonna go like this? Unfortunately not. Bar 3 ends up rallying, pullback into another rally. So bar 4 was an interesting look. It's a shaved bottom. So bears that market ordered in didn't even get profits. They shorted and was automatically stuck. They were in a bad trade. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. It's a rally. 7 breaks this trend line here. So we can say that's a leg 2, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Wedge top, bar 4, the bar 12 sells off. Now we have a spike, deep pullback, and we start to channel. When we channel, what is the setup? The setup is to buy below strong bull bars or buy whatever the recent. Buying low is relative, right? Selling high is relative. It depends on the day. So if bar 20 is the low, then this is a good buy. I will admit, I think this is a hard buy because we don't, like right now, this could be a lower high and we could sell off. So if you don't buy that, I totally understand. However, once we see this rally between 38 through 43, definitely gotta think bullish at least. Don't go short yet. Right, there's a bull gap here, and that's actually the only gap, and that also gets closed. So the broad bull channel, I had this trend line here just to frame the day. I had it like really towards the end of the day. You can say that's a channel here, that's a channel here, kind of at the swing highs. The point is to identify the day and then place trades around that. Bears are not getting continuation below the EMA. If you're going to short, you have to short new highs. Every new high was a pullback into the EMA. I don't think today is a good day to short, but mean reversion traders made money. It was not the best way to make money, but they made a few points here and there. Look at the bear bars, 12, 20, 29. They're progressively getting smaller. We have a triangle. When we have a triangle, it can break out and 50%, and the breakout only succeeds 50% of the time. So what does that mean? Just wait for the retest. And bar 38, 39, 40 was that retest. And so here's the breakout. Really weak breakout, but it was not strong. Pull back, rally. I think this leg was the trade of the day. And if you didn't catch that, that's okay, because it would be hard. How would you know to catch that if, well, you would see this rally, and then I actually did catch this. I bought 39 because I saw this rally here. Then I bought this, and then yeah, we'll go over the trades in a second. So here's a 4-bar micro channel, 2-legged pullback, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Into the EMA, you buy any of these bars for a scalp. You try and go for a measured move, but it's hard to go for measured moves in ranges. It's in ranges you want to scalp, and trends you have more room to hold. In trading ranges, leg 1, leg 2s are not always symmetrical. So leg 1, pullback, leg 2, because breakouts restart the count. Bears also get a pullback. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Look at bar 53. Leg 1. Oh, excuse me. For the bears, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Give me 1 second here, guys. So for the bears, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. And then this 58 is a high 2. It's not a good high 2. It's not the best high 2 because it's at the same price. 659 is at a new high, but it's a trading range bar. It's a doji, more tail than body, so it'd be better to buy at the lower part of the tail. And then we have a 3-bar rally, shallow pullback, leg 1, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, wedge top, wedge top, wedge top. We're very close to yesterday's resistance. See? And then we have 74, leg 1, pullback, vacuum test, leg 2, and a rally. This is why, excuse me, I don't trade past bar 72 unless I'm like pretty deep in profits and it makes sense. I'm already in the trade. Let me rephrase that. I won't be placing new trades past bar 72. If I'm holding a trade for a winner, that's a little different. But yeah, look at that. This price action is the exact reason why I think it's best to just wait until tomorrow. If you're not profitable, you're probably not going to be profitable within 5 to 8 bars. Really hard day. Where are the trades today? Here we have a leg 1. Put that at the low of 9. That's the pullback. And 1-to-1 was met on the tail of 12. 11 is a vacuum test of the last swing high from yesterday. And when you look at 12, it traded up a little bit and slammed down. I don't know if it actually slammed down. I can't remember. But leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Bar 11 is a climactic bar in the swing high. So I think it's best to take profits. And I think a lot of people took profits because look at bar 12. Completely reversed. You could say this is a 2-bar reversal, but where's the follow through? Bar 12 gets no follow through. So if you're short, you definitely got to get out. That's something stuck in my throat today. Sorry, guys. Then bulls get another rally, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Another rally, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Leg 1, 150% pullback, leg 2. And in terms of pullbacks for the bears, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. And then here you can say leg 1, trading at the highs, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. It's very important to learn how to count legs and identify what part of the market cycle we're in. Deep pullback, you buy the low of 19, and you get filled here on 31. Or bar micro channel. This was an interesting one, so you could play it 2 ways. You can take what I just took like that. You get 1.5R, or you could just take it from the high of 31, and you buy one of these bars here, 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 and you can buy all the way up to 41 and get 1R. of the 4 bar micro channel. It gets a little bit harder here. Man, I got something stuck in my throat. Sorry, guys. Again, so now here's the new leg. So we were looking for a measured move of this leg. It's not met. We're asking for too much on a range day. Even if you got the low tick. Okay, if you get the low tick of 51, it's met, but you gotta be really good to do that. 51's testing the breakout point right here, so you know it is possible. In channels, breakout points get tested all the time. You could put limit orders. I don't trade limit orders, but it is possible. And then the last rally here, and you pull back and you don't even get 1-to-1. The trades I took today was, so I bought 15's low, looking for a test of this high, but I never got filled, and I got out here. I bought 35 and got out here, and I bought 39, caught the rally, was a break even for the day, and then I bought 49 and got out here, and I just said screw it, you know, I'm trading on sim. Today was more just to get my confidence back in. Although at the end of the day red by a couple points, I still feel all right because yesterday was just nonsense. So it is what it is. Another pretty boring day. Let's just draw these gaps in. Gap down with continuation. No follow through after bar 2. Bar 2 becomes the low of the day. Rally, rally, rally. You have a gap here. It's a weak gap because it's a bull, bull, bear. Again, we like to see bull, 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 or bear, bear, bear. When you have opposite rallies, they're just a little weaker. Or, I mean, excuse me, like this is a bull bar, bear bar, so the gap's a little bit weaker. Because now there's sellers here, and we want to have buyers. Could argue bar 8 has 2 tails, so there's buying pressure there. That's fair. It's a fair argument. How are you guys holding up in these ranges? I think there's a gap right here. Kind of looks like it. So look, there's no gaps here, and then we have really big bars at the late in the trend. Could be an exhaustion gap. And this is zero height gap right here. The high of 61, 77, 75. Low. Okay, so there's a 1 tick gap here actually. Not zero height, so 1 tick gap like that. That's a little bit bigger than 1 tick. And then bears actually get a gap here, but it's a range day and that closes quickly. No gaps. So all gaps got closed today. It was a bull channel. Another hard day for sure. I could definitely see people, you know, just going short like crazy and getting caught up. Hope you guys are doing good. I appreciate the support. If you learned something, share the show. Don't be a hoe. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow.